lost some weight lately. Does that count?
Show off a little more because we got plenty of room to sit around.
When we move forward, or? Just...
Oh no, you're good. No, you're doing good. I need a sip of beer because I've been working so hard.
You read my mind.